Guys, so today is the day where I sprinkle Christmas all over the house. I call it that, it's just for decorating. But what I do is I try to find areas in your house that your eyes will flow and will have little cute, nicely decorated areas, and little like dots of Christmas everywhere. So I'm going to show you what I do at my house for Christmas to make it look really Christmassy. So we have the tree there in the front room, which we love it there, and the garland and the chandelier done. Those are the three things, and the fridge, but the fridge is behind us. So now I'm going to decorate the chaise lounge, and so this is how my chaise lounge looks on a regular basis. It has a throw and some pillows, but I cleaned it for Christmas to show you. And basically, this is what you want to do with the chaise lounge. So now it's cute and set for Christmas. So cute. Now let's move to the sofa. This sofa is a really nice, clean, perfect color for Christmas. And we're gonna... So what we did, we added pillows, a throw, and I added this amazing ruffled edge to the bottom of my couch. I did hand sew it in, so you may not want to do that because it takes forever, but it was fun. Now we're at my table. This is one of my favorite areas to decorate, and we're gonna do it like this. I didn't do a table setting, I just did a table decor. So maybe I'll do a table scape and table setting after. If you're interested in seeing that, let me know. And let's move on. So on my end table, at the end of my couch here, and we're gonna get some stuff on top here and make it look really nice. Some simple cones, a little Santa basket. We normally stuff things in here. I don't know what we're going to put this in here. And something for the boys to play with. It's a little Christmas box. I normally put little toys in there for them to play with. So cute. So we're at the entry section of the house now. So this is what we'll call our sunroom. It's a big, bright room. It's really nice. I have a mirror and a small console table and some art on the walls. I'm going to take everything down and we're going to do one. So we don't have a fireplace, so we normally hang our stockings, which we stuff with really nice, cute snacks and tiny toys and stuff there. I have a nice little topper on top of the mirror, a miniature Christmas tree, two lanterns that do have candles in them, and the candles light really beautifully at night. It looks really good because the Christmas tree's right there, and our basket to put keys and just other things when you enter the house. So yeah, that's it for it. I have some artwork on my walls, as well as pictures. This is a really nice place to get some Christmas decorations in as well. So let's go. Okay, so I know you guys might be like, those big letters. The kids love it, and around Christmas time, we try to teach them like what the real meaning of Christmas is, and it's not about Santa and presents, although that's great, but it's also about love and joy and peace and Noel and the birth of Jesus Christ, etc., etc., etc. So I like to bring that to them. So I put any pictures. They look at these pictures all the time, so it's really nice. Let's go. So this is an entryway to the bedrooms of the house. My craft room is right there. I have a little sign saying North Pole Road and Mary and Bride Santa's Workshop, and I put a label for Santa's Workshop in my craft room. North Pole, Candy Cane Lane, just so cute things like that. So it's nice to put little effects like that. I'm not gonna. That was installed since last year. I should stay right there because my son likes it. So we're not leaving this bare. So all I did was I added a little topper and the bell. So cute. So remember I spoke about artwork on the walls. So I have a lot of artwork on my walls. And for Christmas I like to spruce them up. You want to know my secret? It's so easy. So you gotta go out to the store, buy a bag. Yes, a gift bag. It's this easy. You're gonna buy a gift bag. It's a bag. You're gonna take your artwork, cut out a piece of it to fit perfectly in your artwork, so it also has the matting, and you're gonna tape. That's it. If it has glass, that's it. It's that simple. I have an accent chair here, and it's simple. You don't do much to a chair, so let's go. So cute. Thank you again, everyone, for joining me as I decorated for Christmas, or as I say, sprinkled Christmas all over my house. This is part one. There's going to be a part two where we're going in really awesome areas of the house. So stay tuned for that. If you like this video, feel free to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, share it, and I hope you have a really, really Merry Christmas, and stay crafty, my friends.